Hello everyone. Welcome back to our English Speaking and Listening Club. I'm so happy you are here today because the topic we're going to discuss can literally change the direction of your life if you listen carefully and apply it step by step. The topic is 20 life lessons that can change anyone's life. Life is the best teacher. Sometimes it gives us lessons in the form of success, and sometimes in the form of failure. The important thing is not whether life is easy or hard. The important thing is whether we learn the lessons hidden inside every experience. So today, I want to share with you 20 powerful life lessons. These are lessons that I have learned from great thinkers, successful people, and even from my own experiences. If you understand these lessons, your life will become more meaningful, peaceful, and successful. Life Lesson 1. Take responsibility for your life. Stop blaming others for your problems. The moment you take responsibility, you take back your power. No excuses. Your life is your responsibility. Life Lesson 2. Health is the real wealth. Money is important, but without health, money is useless. Exercise, eat well, sleep properly. A healthy body creates a healthy mind, and a healthy mind creates success. Life Lesson 3. Time is more valuable than money. You can always earn money again, but once time is gone, it never comes back. Value your time. Use it wisely. Don't waste it on things that don't matter. Life Lesson 4. Failures are lessons, not endings. Don't be afraid of failing. Every successful person has failed many times. Failure teaches you what success cannot. Learn, adjust, and try again. Life Lesson 5. Don't compare yourself with others. Everyone's journey is different. When you compare, you only create jealousy and sadness. Focus on your own path and celebrate your own progress. Life Lesson 6. Discipline beats motivation. Motivation comes and goes. Discipline stays. If you want to achieve big goals, build discipline, daily habits, routines, and self-control. Life Lesson 7. Relationships are more important than riches. At the end of your life, you won't remember cars or houses. You will remember people and memories. Take care of your family, your friends, and the people who love you. Life Lesson 8. Keep learning. Always, life never stops teaching, so you should never stop learning. Read books, listen to podcasts, learn new skills. Knowledge is the most powerful asset you can have. Life Lesson 9. Gratitude changes everything. Instead of complaining about what you don't have, be grateful for what you already have. Gratitude creates peace, positivity, and happiness. Life Lesson 10. Control your mind. Control your life. Your thoughts shape your reality. If you think negative, your life becomes negative. If you think positive, your life becomes positive. Learn to control your thoughts and emotions. Life Lesson 11. Don't fear. Change is part of life. Jobs change, people change, situations change. Instead of resisting change, accept it and grow with it. Life Lesson 12. Small steps. Create big results. You don't need to make huge changes overnight. Just take small steps every day. Small progress, when repeated daily, leads to massive success. Life Lesson 13. Save and invest money. Early, don't spend everything you earn. Save a part of your income and invest it wisely. Money grows with time, so the earlier you start, the better your future will be. Life Lesson 14. Avoid negative people. Your environment shapes you. If you surround yourself with negative people, you will become negative too. Choose friends who inspire, encourage, and challenge you to grow. Life Lesson 15. Kindness is never wasted. A small act of kindness can make a big difference in someone's life. Be kind even if no one notices. It will always come back to you in some way. Life Lesson 16. Believe in yourself. If you don't believe in yourself, nobody else will. Trust your abilities, trust your journey, and keep moving forward even when others doubt you. Life Lesson 17. Money can buy comfort. Not happiness, yes. Money is important. But true happiness comes from within. From peace of mind, good health, love, and purpose. Don't chase only money. Chase meaning too. Life Lesson 18. Dream big, but start small. Don't limit your dreams. But remember, every big achievement starts with small actions. Don't wait for perfect conditions. Just begin. Life Lesson 19. Silence is powerful. Sometimes the best reply is silence. You don't need to argue with everyone. Save your energy for things that matter. Life Lesson 20. Enjoy the journey, not just the destination. Don't postpone your happiness for some future achievement. Learn to enjoy the process, celebrate small wins, and find joy in the present moment. Putting it all together, so my friends, these are 20 life lessons that have the power to transform anyone's life. Imagine if you practiced even 5 of them consistently. Your life would already be more peaceful, successful, and meaningful. Now imagine practicing all 20. You would become unstoppable. Thank you so much for staying with me till the end of this video. I hope these life lessons inspire you, guide you, and help you live your best life. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more motivational and English-speaking content.